can go up and down. It's a very long ladder and huge wheels. The body is made of plastic and metal. Who is that? That's my baby boo. See, he's rotating the wheels. It can go fast, super fast. Can you do it slow? Slow like this. This is the body looks like, and it's really heavy.
It's heavy.
Super huge. The bottom looks like it has 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a plastic and metal here. This is the closer look. Where's the wheels? Where's the wheels?
Where?
This one.
A planet.
Can you hold it? This is pretty cool, right? So cool. Also, last video we have zombie. So this is 5 alarm and zombie. They're so huge and heavy. Their name is 5 alarm. Stock type, truck type, CD. Strength, super drench, fire nozzle. Crash attack, fireball stomp. Motivation to soak the other trucks. Fire department. Yeah, the ladder here.
Amen. Uh-oh.
I want that.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to eat that. Give me.
Okay. Tell me. A clip. Oh. Come.
Who's bigger? 5 alarm or zombie?
Play again.
Yeah, the 5 alarm is bigger. It's the clock. Psst. Peekaboo! Yeah.
Then.
Show me your new monster truck. Show me 5 alarm. The red fire monster truck. Go. Where is it?
Go. A clock.
Here.
Okay.
That's so heavy.
Tummy.
Did you say thank you to Daddy? Say thank you, Daddy. And subscribe.
Yeah.